What is the one game that you love to play in your free time? Think about it. Whatever is your favorite game, you not only enjoy playing it, you have also learned important life lessons without your conscious awareness. Hi, my name is Ashraf and one of my favorite game is chess. In this video, I am going to share the 7 most valuable life lessons from the chess game. But before I do that, let me share some important information about the chess game and how it relates to your life. Chess is a strategy board game where all the pieces on the board can move in different positions and each with specific limitations. If you want to win the game, you need to move your pieces strategically to overpower your opponent's king. The chess game represents our life in many ways. You are like the king in a constant game of survival until the game is over. The only way to save the king is through your thinking. Learning to play chess has strengthened my ability to focus, observe, analyze, and understand patterns. The chess game demonstrates that ideas are the most powerful resource in the world. The game board pieces are equivalent to your resources in life. You can either use them or lose them. Now let me share the 7 important life lessons from the chess game. Number 1. You need to make many strategic moves to achieve your goal. What it means is that you need to consistently plan and work towards achieving a goal. The chess game is not won by making one single move. You need to make a series of good moves to win, and this same principle applies to your life as well. Lesson number 2. You need to make many sacrifices, either willingly or unwillingly, both in the game as well as in life. It means that sometimes in life you have to let go of what you have so that you can evolve and embrace a new possibility. Lesson number 3. There is no one best strategy that works for you all the time. You need to continuously figure out new strategies to win the game every time. In other words, you need to be flexible in your approach so that you can adapt, change, and innovate as per the situation, both in the game as well as in life. Lesson number 4. You need to be proactive. Yes, you need to create opportunities for yourself by being proactive and not just wait for the right opportunity to come your way. The champions in games and the leaders in real life are the ones who take the initiative and create the right opportunities for themselves. Lesson number 5. When you find yourself in a difficult situation, there is usually a way out if you think hard enough. All complex problems, both in games as well as in life, have a solution, and sometimes it can be a simple solution. Hence, you need to focus your energies on the solution and not on the problem. Lesson number 6. You need to balance your strategy between attack and defense. You need to know when to make the aggressive moves and go forward, and at the same time when to fall back, defend, and protect what is important to you. You have to take bold decisions when required so that you can progress in life, and at the same time you need to be careful so that you don't lose what is valuable to you. Lesson number 7. If you fail, all you have to do is to reset the pieces and start the game all over again. It means when you fail in one venture, whether in business or at work, you always have another chance. You just have to reset your mind and play with confidence to win in the next venture. These were the 7 valuable life lessons I learned from the chess game. Apart from these usual and familiar games, do you know that there are many unique training games that can be used to learn various life skills? For the past 20 years, I have been using specially designed training games to facilitate learning in my training programs. I have also devised a new method for game-based experiential learning. This new method is called GOAL, Game-Oriented Active Learning. This GOAL approach is a revolutionary process to harness the power of games for learning. Now, I have captured the essence of my learning experience using games into this wonderful book with the same name, GOAL, Game Oriented Active Learning. In this book, you will learn strategies and techniques on how to use games as learning tools. You will also learn how to transform your life and work as a fun game. If you are interested, you can choose to buy my book by using the link given in the description. You can also subscribe to my channel to get regular updates about my new learning videos. Thanks for watching and have a gameful life.